We at Penkraft are in the business of identifying, practicing, teaching, and promoting art forms. Mandala is a great tool for meditation, increasing self awareness, and it helps you to boost your concentration and focus. Many different cultures around the world use mandalas in their spiritual practice. Pen or line mandalas are drawn using a pen or a brush with designs that begin from a central point and expand outwards in various layers and curves. This Pen Mandala Masterclass by Penkraft is an intense 7 days offline training conceived and conducted by our master trainers, teaches you this art from scratch and gets you to master it. You shall start by learning surface preparation and base coat application, proceed to learn basic motifs and designs, taking measurements and placements, color theory and color palette decisions. You shall move on to learn techniques and compositions, learn handling pens and brushes, and conclude with finishing care and maintenance of Pen Mandala masterpieces. You shall start with creating this art on cartridge paper and then move on to other surfaces. You shall create an evil eye on MDF, Buddha on manzar part cloth, vignette on tote bag, sponge technique on wall clock, and a moon wall hanging. All material for the course is provided by Penkraft, and all you need to bring along is your enthusiasm to learn. The next batch starts from 2nd November and will be conducted from 11 am to 6 pm every day till 8th November. To ensure personal guidance by the master to each participant, the batch size is limited to 6. Early sign-ups also get a massive discount of 20% on the fee. So, hurry up and call us on 91360 24248 or 73040 88833 to sign up for this Pen Mandala Masterclass.